it's GDF channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a turtle program in a Python. Okay, so I'm using a Replit here. I can drag a shell and a console around here and adjust its position. Okay. So before learning this turtle program in Python, you should know all the basics of the Python first. Okay. So first of all, we will import our module named the turtle. Now we are going to add any variables like from A to Z, or you can just write simply any name, like you can write the turtle 1 or turtle 2, anything, but I'm writing here A. Okay, A is equals to turtle full stop turtle. Now you have to do like this, and now you need to run your command. Okay, so you can see an output screen here. Now I'm going to just show you how to simply change the shape of your turtle or your cursor or anything else. You can say A full stop shape. So our shape is classic right now. Let's run. You can see here now, you can say your shape of a turtle. Now for example, you say you want to change your shape, and now I'm going to tell you how to change the shape. Now you will simply write here A shape, and inside the parentheses you're gonna write here any shape you like you can say turtle. You can like choose any shape, like you can say square, you can take classic here, the shape I show you. You can take circle here. Okay, now just run the command and let me show you. You can say it's change shape now. Okay, so I'm just telling you today the basics of the turtle. In the next video I will tell you the more about this turtle program. Alright, now how we can move forward, left and right the turtle. Okay, so we are going to simply give the command A forward. How much forward do you want, like 20 or 30? You can say I'm giving here the 20. Alright, now you can see it moved. There is a line here, you can see a line. Yeah, now I will say here left. Yeah, how much left do you want, like let's say I want 25. Yeah, okay, now just run the command. Now it just move its head. Now we'll say here A forward 30. Now we forward in this direction. Alright, you can use the same command for the right as well, 25, and then you will say forward 30, run the command. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to change the color of your turtle. So you are going to just simply see A color. You can say the color of your turtle red, you can say, and blue. Yeah, now you're gonna say A forward. You can see the change of the color very clearly, 30. Now let's just see. Now you can see here your turtle color is changed according to this. Okay, so you have now learned so far the forward, the right, left, and the how to change the color of your turtle and how to change the shape of your turtle. Now many people just say, can we just change the shape of our turtle to some kind of diamond or some kind of rhombus? So my answer is no, absolutely no, you cannot change. I can also show you. Okay, so let me write here the diamond. Now I will show you an error. Here you can see it is showing the error because there is no shape name in your graphic turtle module. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you will watch my next video. Thank you.